Hello guys, I'm going to explain the basic principle of Forex. So I'm going to show you the important things and I'm going to explain what is Forex. Okay, let's get started guys. Okay, first thing, what is a Forex? Forex also known as a foreign exchange or FX trading. It is the conversion of one currency into another guys. If you ever traveled overseas, you have made a forex transaction. Forex, or a foreign exchange, can also be explained as a network of buyers and sellers who transfer currencies between each other at an agreed price. It is means by which individual companies, central banks convert one currency into another. What do you need to start trading on Forex? First, you need a Forex broker, guys. Second, trading platforms. Okay, so here I'm going to explain in details what is a forex broker. A forex broker are firms that provide traders with access to a platform that allows them to buy or sell foreign currencies. Transactions in this market are always between a pair of two different currencies. So forex traders either buy or sell the particular pair they want to trade. A forex broker, also known as a retail forex broker or a currency trading broker, in a modern financial and commercial trading means an intermediary who buys and sells a particular asset for a commission. Top 10 forex brokers. The first one, XM. Number 2, JP Markets. Number 3, Pepperstone. Number 4, Just Forex. Number 5, Xness. 6, IC Market.
I don't
7,
see an app called My
CM
Cat.
Trading.
You could try searching the App Store.
8, IG. 9, Forex.com. 10, FXCM. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you the preferred Forex brokers, the highly trusted one. Number 1 is an XM. Number 2, Just Forex. Number 3, JP Markets. XM and Just Forex are international based brokers, and JP Market it's a local one, guys. So if you are a beginner, if you are afraid to go for international one, guys, you can go for JP Markets. What is a trading platforms? A trading platform is a software used for trading, opening, closing, and managing market position through a financial intermediary such an online broker. Guys, trading platform typically stream live market prices on which users can trade and may provide additional trading tools such chatting packages, newsfeed, account management functions. Some platforms have been specifically designed to allow individuals to gain access to financial markets that could formerly only be accessed by specialist trading firms. Top trading platforms. Number 1 is a MetaTrader 4, guys. Number 2, MetaTrader 5. Number 3, C-Trader. Number 4, NinjaTrader. Number 5 is Signal. trading platform that we prefer, guys. It's best to go for MetaTrader 4. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.